and welcome back to Charm Love by Carolyn. First of all, I would like to thank any new subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. You're very, very much appreciated. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope you enjoy my videos. All right, Charm fam. Today, I have more Temu charms. Yes, I do. I told you I love Temu. And they are tarot cards, because I know I did a video with some tarot cards that I got previously. And these are some more tarot cards. I haven't taken them out of the package yet, but hopefully you can see them. They are kind of like a rainbow color. And they are so absolutely gorgeous. I just love them. They got that shift, like when you turn them, they kind of change colors, shift colors a little. Yeah, those are really pretty. And of course, Charm fam, let me see. I think I paid $1, yet again, $1 and some change. And I got this little baggie right here, as you can see. That is so cool. I'm telling you, Charm fam, check them out. So, Charm fam, today we're going to be using these tarot card charms and these matte rainbow Druzy Agate beads, which I've had, well, you know the story. But yeah, this is what we're going to be using today. Going to be using these gold spacer beads, a veil, and a jump ring. We're going to be using my stretch cord today, which I've already kind of pre-stretched. Oh, excuse me, Charm fam. Excuse me. Sorry about that. But yeah, I've already kind of pre-stretched it. So, and my trusty little bead stopper. And for tools, my nippers, bent chain nose pliers, and my chain nose pliers, just so I can put the charm onto the veil. All right, Charm fam, I'm gonna go get this stuff taken out of the package, and I shall be right back with you. Don't go anywhere. All right, Charm fam, I am back. Now, I've taken one out of the package, and I hope y'all can see that because it is so very colorful. Try not to make y'all shake. There we go. That's what it looks like, and this is the world. It's two-sided, I think. Yep, but that's what it looks like. It does that kind of color shift thing. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. And like I said, honey, I think I paid $1, perhaps maybe $1, for the whole little baggie. But yeah, that's what we're going to be using today, Charm fam. And like I said, I've got everything already. I got my little little bead stopper and stretch my cord. And yet again, gonna try to quickly string this bracelet because, as always, you know where I'm about to go in a little bit. So yeah, but it's simple, Charm fam. Oops. I'm just going to start with one of my gold spacer beads. And then I'm going to place on 3 of my agate Druzys, which I think are so pretty. And it is one in here with let me see, I know it's one in here with that little, it is so golden. See, look at there, with all the little sparkly in there. That is so pretty. But yeah, I've added on 3 of my Druzy Agates. And like I say, it's just going to be a repeat pattern. I'm going to add on another spacer. And 3 more of these agate beads. And like I said, this is a simple bracelet, Charm fam. Anybody can make it, not with the beads I have, but with whatever you have in your own stash, my dears. Like I said. All right. Okay. I always have this dysfunction over here with my tools, wanting to hang on to my jewelry. All right, Charm fam, there we go. Let's see. There we go. All right, that's what it's looking like so far. So how's everyone doing? You know, I always got to check in with my Charm fam, make sure everybody's good, staying healthy and well. I'm doing wonderfully. Thank God, as always. I tell you, I'll have my bad days. I'll feel like crap sometime, but most of the time I feel wonderful. Right now, Charm fam, I'm a little hungry. I hope y'all don't hear my tummy growling over there. Okay, so all right, this is what it's looking like so far. We have spacer bead, 3 Druzys, spacer bead, 3 Druzys, and like I said, Charm fam, this is basically the gist of the bracelet. Like I said, I like doing simple stuff. There's no need for a lot of technical stuff unless I want to challenge myself. Now, I will challenge myself sometime, and sometime it come out a hot mess, but at least I challenged myself, Charm fam. And as always, my dear friends, music is playing in the background for your listening pleasure, just in case we go silent. All right, so there. Excuse me, Charm fam. All right, so now this is what it's looking like so far, and I only have, let me see, I think we can just go ahead and finish this like right now, Charm fam, because like I said, it's going to be short. Spacer bead and my last 3 Druzys. Get in there. Get in here. There we go. And my last spacer bead. So, all right, there we are. Now, it is all strung together, Charm fam. So now, what I'm going to do, hopefully without hitting you, because every time I do my bracelets, I hit my camera, and I'm sorry, y'all. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're just going to take it off the bead stopper, and I'm going to grab my bail and my jump ring, and I'm just going to attach these together, Charm fam. Let's see here. Okay, try not to mangle my jump ring. There we go. Open that up, place that on, place it on my bail, and hopefully before this gets away from me, there we go. We close that back, Charm fam. All right, now we have our bail and attached to our charm, or our charm attached to our bail. Now, Charm fam, yet again, hopefully I can get this knot right. All right, Charm fam, I'm just going to put my charm on, and by being a 2-sided charm, it doesn't matter. It's going to flip and turn. Okay, Charm fam, hopefully y'all can see that. Now, what I'm just simply going to do, let's see, can I get this right? 1 and a 2, and we're gonna pull it. Just don't get caught. Maybe I'll be pulling it the wrong way, Charm fam, but I think I got it. I think I got it. All right, Charm fam, there. We've got 1 knot, and for good measure, hopefully this continues to go right, because lately my knots have been trying to get tangled into my beads. Right, 2. All right, Charm fam, we're making it, and 1 last one for good measure. Now, always remember to put glue on your knots so they will not fall apart on you. All right, Charm fam, there we go. We have it all secured and tied. So all I'm going to do now is snip, 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 and all right, Charm fam, there we go. Let's get that stuff out of the way, because this is the star of the show right now. All right, Charm Fam, there we are. Let's kind of get you down here a little bit more. All right, right. Don't shake too much. Stop. All right, Charm Fam. All right, there we go. Didn't want to shake y'all too much. And there is my project for today, Charm Fam. Quick, simple, and easy with my pretty little tarot card charm. I just love it. And let me show you the other ones. Let me show you the other ones. Like I said, it's a whole bag, and they pretty much look not the same, but I mean they color shift or whatever. Don't be shy, charms. Come on out of here. Now they don't want to come out the pack, Charm Fam. I just want to pour them out and show them to you. Ah, there we go. All right, here we are. Now, yeah, I just want to pour these out and show them to you. They are absolutely gorgeous. This one may have a little more gold in it, and then we have this one. Like I said, a color shift. As you can see, it was laying, look, it was laying down. It kind of looked blue, but now it's green looking. This one is shifting all kinds of colors. But yeah, Charm Fam, this is what I got from Temu. Love y'all, Temu. And yeah, it was a great bargain, Charm Fam. Please check them out if y'all make jewelry. Like, don't give up on Amazon though. I love Amazon, but for some small things, you can check Temu out for things like this, like little charms and things of that nature. All right, Charm Fam, I hope you enjoyed my video. It was quick, simple, but yet beautiful. Thank you so much for stopping by, letting me spend some time with you all today. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share. It helps me out, helps my channel grow, and it helps out YouTube's algorithm. All right, Charm Fam, much love to you all. And until the next video, y'all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.